Hi, I'm Dave Noble. I'd like to demonstrate my new addition to my Bownet trap systems. This is a remote control Bownet release. It is very long range. I've tested it at distances well over a mile line of sight. It is weather sealed. You can use it in the rain or the snow. It's a very fast action. I have several features incorporated in here that I like. One is a flexible antenna. In case the birds come flying in, it can't disrupt the Bownet trigger itself. Birds can walk around on this. It won't affect it. It won't release the trigger. It has multiple holes so that you can set the bows on the Bownet as low as possible. It will do Bownet tubes as large as 3/4 of an inch. It has AA batteries inside, just a standard non-rechargeable AA. You can get them anywhere. They will do multiple triggerings, well over 150 triggerings, so it should last you a season with a set of batteries in here. And I will do a demonstration for you now. I will use my 5-foot diameter quick collapsible Bownet for this test. We'll unwind it here. We'll bring it around. Snap in the interlocks. See, there's no spring tension at all for storage. We'll turn it upside down. Notice there'll be a preload on the spring when we get it set. That helps to hold birds in there after the trap is triggered and before you get there. We'll put in the stakes that I include with the Bownet. The side ones go right into the hinge block. Make sure the net is clear of all of your hinge areas and the bows before you do anything. Now we'll put in our rear stake, just slightly off center, and we will make sure that's not quite tight to the ground, but real close. Now we will install the trigger. Simply slide it beneath your bow. If you want to, you can tighten up your bow a little more. Get it snug to the ground. Turn the switch on. You can leave these things on for days if you want without draining any power from the batteries. It only draws power when you actually run the Bownet. Now I will set the Bownet. I'm going to use the lowest hole that I can possibly use for this system. Pull back the net, keep it away from the bows, as with all Bownets. Keep it away from the trigger. Notice how low this profile is. Alright, everything's set. Look at that. Alright, now get caught in a rainstorm, get a little bit of shower, no big deal. How about a downpour? No problem. Alright, going to release pull the antenna, turn the side switch on, here we go. Alright, now I will take the Bownet down, simply slip the trigger off from underneath, pull up your stakes, lift up the Bownet. I like to grab the net like this, tip it up, spring tension's gone. Pop the interlocks, hold the Bownet, wrap it up. And there you go. Thanks for watching.